Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. My name is Seetal, as you all know, but today I am, you know what, everyone wants to speak in English, everyone wants to become confident, but how we can become confident without consistency. So today I will tell you just a 30-minute practice can make us fluent. I know you, when you heard this, you are thinking, what she is saying? Is she mad? No, I'm not. Because I'm also utilizing my time to do this. So, let me tell you one thing that is very important. You all are thinking, what is this technique and how we can do this? So, let me tell you, this is very simple and very easy, but just simple. In speaking case, we want to speak English, but until we will not speak, we will not learn. So, if you want to do this, so watch the video till the end. So, the 15-minute, and I'm going to tell you 30-minute practice plan. Just you have to divide in 15-minute and a 50-minute, another. Okay. So first 15-minute, what you have to do and what you can do is just easy, just describing the things. I am telling you this thing in a lot of videos, I am everyday tells, but if you are following, so you know the result. Like I am describing, how will you describe 15 minutes? It's a big deal? No, it's not a big deal. You can sit in your home outside, like anyone is going, you can describe, you can say slowly, like, yes, he's going, this is my neighbor, and this is a man, this is a girl, this is a boy, and I'm sitting on my cot here. This now today is very hot day, and what I'm doing today, what did I do? Just this is a very simple. Just ask simple question to yourself and make fluent. Yes, do you understand this? Okay, so and the second step, Chatgpt practice. I know you heard this about in everything about it, but in hearing and following is the different. हम जानते हैं कि सब कुछ हमें पता है, but we are doing nothing. So that's why I'm telling you again and again. So just try to do this. If you know this, ChatGPT calling to AI, just go there and try to talk with ChatGPT 15 minutes. You have to write down 15 days plan and do every day 15 minutes. And then if you complete it one day, then you can go on your notebook and tick there. I had completed. Just without delay, without breaking your consistency, you have to follow this, and then you will not believe your level is increased up, very up. So I told you everything about this, and with ChatGPT is also can improve our spoken English. I want to tell you one thing more. When you will go there, and what will you say to ChatGPT? You can say, like, give me a conversation, let's talk together, any random topic. Speak. You have to complete your 15 days task. Just this is your main invention to this. So please follow this and you will see the drastic change. So bye bye.